Hello traders, this is DFXS. Welcome to TFX family. I believe, guys, that you're all doing good. Milking market day and night, my friend. It doesn't matter whether you are using the manual or you are using the EA system. My friend, all you need it is to make sure that you have the TFX system. And from there, we will give you full mentorship so that you can understand fully of how to work with the system, whether manually or working with the EA. Guys, I just want to share something very interesting also because it is good to continue educating you more about this, our simple TFX MT5 manual system, how you can do, you can trade either manually using long trade, capturing one break, my friend, how you can trade formation, right? That is what I just want to cover in this. As you can see, these are it's when you want to cover to trade the formation, as you can see here on my screen. This is after the formation, the second brick you enter, but there is a way you need to understand about how to do this and how to set this manually, because there is a lot of opportunity as you are still waiting for other opportunity of changing color of our TM so that you can trade the way we have been telling you the rules of the system. So I don't know what, guys, some people are doing there outside fighting you down, blah, 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 blah. This is the system. If you don't trust the EAs, then you can trust yourself with the manual system, and it is very simple as I've been sharing on the video. So guys, let me just close this and let us start from the beginning of how to do things. Guys, there is a lot of strategies that we have been covering about trading with our TFX NAIROBI manual system. And always remember, you can trade anything, whether it indexes, normal currencies, gold, cryptos, blah, 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 stocks. You can trade anything provided in MT5 platform. So guys, let me show something. For instance, we know that scalpers, the scalpers, they really love to trade from minute 5 and minute 15. So that is very simple, and we have been saying this is very simple when using this TFX and NAIROBI system. And it's simple as this. Let me show something here. It's very, very, very simple. After saving, which time frame is this? This is 1 hour. So let us do this. It is good to also to have the system. You just pick your file. Let me show something here. Let us pick several things here, even NASCAR. Let us pick even the US to show you how you can do this. Let's start with Boom 500. Let's say you want to do the professional scalping. And let me tell you, guys, it is good to trade from minute 15. Because don't just say, oh, because it is Ranko, blah, blah, blah. No, it is good to do your scalping professionally in minute 15. And this does not mean that you're not supposed to trade in minute 5 and minute 1. No, you can do that. But train yourself to trade in minute 5 after, my point or my text now, it is to make sure that everybody is profitable, using our NAIROBI system or our system. So it is good to use the simple or the simple rules in order to be profitable with our system as you continue learning about other system or other strategies that you can trade from. So guys, let me show you something here. So my point is here, guys. I just want you to do professional scalping in minute 15. Stick there as you continue learning to trade in minute 5 and minute 1. But to do it professionally here, remember our file will do analysis, or it will do chart analysis from monthly to minute 1. So the second thing, I have been saying this severally, it is that your aim goal or your goal in Forex market, it is all about being profitable or being profitable from the system that you are using, rather than calling yourself a scalper or saying that you love to scalp, yet you are not profitable in scalping. So I do believe a lot of people love to call themselves that scalpers only because in the name, and I quote, in the name scalper, there is quick money and daily money, right? And because everyone has this feeling that you have to make a daily money, this makes you think that what will suit you or what you need, it is the being a scalper. And after working for long or being a scalper for long, all you have been doing it is losing money. But when it comes now to TFX, you need to stick on the rules that we are setting you. And because we are showing you how to do some testing or testing the strategies or how to set the strategies, you can learn lower or higher than what we are training you. But the most important thing, it is first of all to be making money every time and every day. And I say every day. When I say every day, I don't mean that because you're a scalper you have to make money every day. I mean every day. If you can use the trick or to outsmart the market, according to the video we shared about to outsmart the market. So if you learn those strategies to have a demo account and a real account, then you can be able to make money each and every day. All right, guys. And this is something that I would advise a lot of people to, even if you don't have maybe money to purchase the EA, you can start with the manual system, following the simple rules so that it can help you to go further and to be a full-time trader, and not only a full-time trader, but also a profitable trader. So let us go to how you can do it professionally. So this is what to do. We have made it simple in our NAIROBI MT5 system or MT4. So this is MT5 system now. We remember we have MT4 and MT5. So all you need it is to go to Renko time frame and set and select minute 15. So in MT5, you'll find that we have minute 12, minute 10, minute 6, minute 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. So guys, the lower time frame from 12 minutes and below or 15 minutes and below, you can start doing that, practicing that on your demo account to see which time frame here that will suit you all. It will be your lucky time frame, right, guys? So all you need to do if you want to start practicing in minute 2, you just pick here minute 2, as simple as that, and then you click OK. If you have saved the file with the template, this is what it will bring for you. This is the minute 2 time frame, yeah, of the Renko. And always remember, the rules are still the same. And those people who have, there is a lot of people before understanding or getting out of this, maybe they will take time. All you need to do then, you can just wait for this this ATM arrow. So after waiting for the ATM arrow, then you can wait for that brick to close the price as you have been watching the other video. This is the ATM arrow. So you wait for this arrow to close the price. So the second arrow, which is this one now, you wait for this arrow, the brick pointed by this ATM arrow to close the price, because already we are coming from the resistance. Then from there, we are entering market with this break. And as you can see, our D Fisher already, it has changed the color, and now it is below our horizontal line here, right? I was about to say horizontal line, not horizontal line, guys, but horizontal line. So it's about it has already closed even our line, and so you are supposed to enter with this one. So guys, because of the speed that are there in minute 1 and minute 2 also, and those small time frame, you need to practice that and to make sure that you are becoming profitable. The other thing, one of our experienced trader who purchased the system even earlier, he told me that it is good to exit when this bus comes to this point. He told me this is very earlier exit when they are approaching our first horizontal line at this point. And instead of exiting from that point, you can exit when you are seeing that they are about to cross, that they are giving a signal here of crossing. So you can suggest of yourself, you can make your own decision whether to exit when the D fisher here bar crosses our line here, or you can also take the profit after the D fisher approach this area, giving the signal like they can be across here and gives a sell. So for this small time frame from minute 15, guys, and below, you can practice that and in your demo account before suggesting or making decision which small time frame you'll be using in between from minute 12 and below. But from our TFX company, we want you to be more profitable. And before you practice the speed, people are they can they don't care. They can try even in minute one. You can be profitable, especially with this system. It's very simple. And I assure you can be profitable, but you need to practice this. All we share here, it is what we have practiced, not what we haven't practiced. So we haven't practiced the small time frame from minute 12 and below. The experience we have is from minute 15. And because maybe sometimes because we are busy, we don't have time to watch more of small time frame. But I assure you, just do that, practice that. But before you get there, make sure that you are making profit out of this system. So number one, all we do now, it's only to double click here on our file and select what, guys, and to select minute 15. Simple as that. After there, you make sure that you check if you allow every box here. Again, we click OK. And because that now it is our minute 15, all we need to do now, it is to save this file, right? You can rename this file as you wish to, so that you cannot forget that this is the Renko file of minute 15. So it will be very simple for you to understand that when you jump even to Boom 1000 or any pair you want to choose, you can just go straight to the file that you saved, and you will know that this file contains 15 minutes. So you can trade automatically from 15 minutes. And for those people experienced trader, you can agree with me, there is a lot of people who have been making money in doing their scalping in minute 15. The best thing with our system is that you are not jumping from this time frame to another time frame in order to do the chart analysis or in order to do the analysis before you take the position of the trades in minute 15. All you need to understand here, it is that our TFX, our Renko file, guys, it has done every analysis for you from monthly to minute 1. So if you stick in minute 15, you don't have to you have to know nothing, or you don't have to worry about what other time frames are doing or what other time frames are behaving. All you need to know, it is to stick in your time frame. So this means even if you can trade in minute 1 or in minute 2 or those minute 12 and below, all you need to do, it is to stick on your time frame, knowing or confidently that the EA or the Renko file, it has done everything for you, or it has done the chart analysis for you. All you need to do there, it is to wait, guys. It is to wait for the signal. So, and if you're getting hard maybe to understand which brick here you can which brick you can enter the market with, you can make it simple for yourself to wait only for this ATM arrow, because we have been sharing of what to do which entry, because we know that after the changing color of our TM, after the confirmation of our resist of our support here, we are waiting for this break to touch where to touch our horizontal line, and wait for now for that break to close. So the second break we enter the market with, remember our ATM is our it is when we re-enter the market. So if that is hard for you, just wait for this ATM, wait for that break to close, then the second or opening price of the second break, it is what you enter the market with. It doesn't matter now which time frame. Those are the rules. And I think, I haven't tried that, but you can try that. In those small time frame from let's say minute 12 and below, just wait for this ATM. This is ATM, it's so accurate. This ATM is so profitable, guys. If you can only be patient with the market and wait for this ATM, and never forget, you must, and I'm saying this because those are the very important rules that you are supposed to follow. You must wait for this brick that this brick with this arrow to close the price. The opening price of this second brick after the arrow now, after the arrow, the second brick, it is your entry point. And your exit point, we said you can exit after this bar touches or coming below, starting approaching or below or touching this our horizontal line. Then in this line, you can exit with this bar. So this means that you can secure your early profit. And if you are patient enough, as one of our clients said, because this is our exit point, but our clients said you can exit after this bar approaches our mid-low line. Yes, our mid-low line or our center line, guys. So this is your exit point. And if you can measure, thank you for those people with the feedback. If you can measure, you can see that it was exactly after the formation of cell formation. Then that can be your exit point, and you can see you will have free riding this market from this point to this point, and for sure that is a good profit even when using the minimum lot size. So I do believe that, guys, trading in minute 15, it is very, very, very simple. And after saving that, whether you are trading the US 30 or this NASCAR in 15 minutes, there is no problem. You just pick your file, and automatically it will give you. You can see there was a good, and this is why I'm saying even a new beginner in Forex market, you can see that after this arrow, this was a good profit for today, guys. This one was a good profit, and this is why people with the manual, they are making money fearlessly because they know that the system is so accurate. Everything is there, the resistance is there, the arrow is there. So if you are getting, if it's hard for you, or you are getting hard to understand when to enter the market here, guys, make it simple for yourself and wait for this arrow, and make it simple, my friend. Make money. Don't just be there say, oh, my friend, I don't know, it's becoming hard for me to master this this brick, blah blah blah. The arrow is there. Even a new beginner can tell you, I can see the arrow, I can see the support, I can see the changing color of this one, so I can wait for this brick automatically, and I can re-enter this. I can enter this market even if it is the new beginner, my friend. Guys, this is what I'm saying. This brick, you wait for this appearance of this ATM arrow, wait for that brick to close, automatically enter. The moment this one, it will open the price. That is your entry point. Where is your exit point, guys? Your exit point is here. All right, this is your exit point. Or if you will follow the instruction for from our client who is very profitable to the system, this is your entry, your exit point. And I've been saying this, you can also exit after the sell formation, because this is the sell formation. And I'm thinking now, guys, I'm done with minute 15. Just stick in minute 15 and you will do professional scalping. And guys, right, guys, you'll be very, very profitable. Now, let me remind some people there outside, because some people, they forgot about this. Is our new Renko file. It's very different with our previous or our old Renko. This one, it's from the TFX company. And I just want to tell you, if you are in minute 15, this tells you here in every brick here, it will be opening after 15 minutes. When this, and because the Renko is based on price, after 15 minutes, if this brick, let's say this is, let's say for instance, this one, after 15 minutes here, because it will open another brick here, we are in 5:21. So in 9 minutes, we'll have a new brick, but it will open that new brick after exceeding 100 points from the our current or from our current current brick. So it will open after 15 minutes, but it must exceed with 100 points, which tells us that now the price will be opened automatically and there is nothing to go back again. So there is nothing like, oh, my friend, I don't know which brick. No, 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 no. It's very easy. Every brick here will be open after 15 minutes if you're working in 15 minutes. So professionally, you are right, you are correct. You are not saying, oh, this brick, maybe it can close after 2 hours. No, there is nothing like 2 hours when you are trading or you have selected your file in minute 15. So I think that is clear. You cannot, don't do comparison. There is no comparison here with our old Renko file. So this one is new and this one is simple. This one is so reliable and it's very clear, and taking position, they are very, very clear, smooth. Guys, you can see, you can never ever miss any opportunity here. All you need to do it is to stick on rules. So let me delete that now and go make this point clear of how you can trade a formation. Let's learn on how you can trade formation. Number one, let me say, you cannot trade formation based on small time frame. You must trade the formation based on big time frame from 1 hour and 4 hours. Those two, they are good for trading formation. So let me make this clear. What do I mean from 4 hours? Now, this is 1 hour time frame. If I select 1 hour time frame, let me click OK. And I want to trade the formation. So all I will do here, let me show something here. When you want to trade the formation, now ignore any signal that is here, because all you are doing now, you just want to milk only one brick and you are out of the market. So this is the opportunity that when the market is still preparing itself before giving you signal of changing color of the TM or the crossing of the moving average or the ATM signal, which is this our arrow, you can start by milking the you can start by milking the formation. Milking the formation means that after this formation, right after this formation, there is a support here. Make sure there is a support. Don't trade in this plain one. Make sure there is a support either for our this super or this dotted, anything that indicates support or resistance. Then after this formation of flat brick, and the opposite brick will have the wick, as you can see here. This is our standard wick. This is what we call formation. And I do believe if you have been following our video, if I said formation, it is clear to you that this is what we call the formation. The formation, these are the formation. These two bricks, one for that sell direction, close with the flat brick, and the opposite one for the bullish must close with the standard wick or the wick. If it is a sell, it is the opposite of buy. So the buy brick must close flat, and the sell brick must have the wick. Let me delete something here. So some people are still beginner. Maybe this is your first time, and you really want to understand what is this formation. Let me make this clear to everyone. So these are the formation that we are talking about here. These are the formation that we are talking about here. If it is a buy, the bullish brick must close with the flat, and the sell brick must close with the wick. This wick shows you the power or the strength of sellers now, or the power of seller or sell or down trade or a pullback, all right, or a reversal. But this one, it's a signal of a reversal or a changing plan of game, right? So the same thing, if it is a sell, the sell brick must close with flat, and the buy brick will close with a standard wick. I do believe now you understand what we say by formation. So every time you hear me mentioning this formation, just understand I'm meaning I'm talking about these two formations. So when you are trading formation, your goal is one, to just milk one brick. If you want to go for 2, 3, that is up to you. But this one you can do it when your file is in 1 hour time frame, right? Or 4 hours time frame. Let me make this clear. But when you're trading in in H1, all you need now, it is to make sure that you are trading after formation. Let another one brick cross, then enter with the third brick. When you are trading using the file of H1, make sure there is a formation and another formation is closed. The opening price of our third bullish brick, you enter buy. So if it is a sell, you'll make sure that there is a sell formation. There is another brick here closed. So you'll enter the market with this third brick. So that is when you are trading with the file based on 1 hour time frame. And because you want to milk the exact one brick, so it will be easier for you to set your TP at this point. All you need it is to set your vertical your horizontal line there, then reverse it just a little to make sure now you can see it's not just equivalent with this body. At least there is some few pips, because it must form this brick and you want it to hit, because you know they can expand spread, you know that you have been experiencing that. So this is where you're supposed to set your TP after entering the market. You can recount it here from the vertical scales, and again you can count this number and set it as your TP, and automatically that one brick, it will give you profit, and it will give you not only profit but a good profit. Only one brick. So guys, what I'm saying here, if you are trading you want to milk the bricks, all right, the formation, and your Renko time frame is H1, always make sure that you are milking the third brick after the formation. Wait for this one to close. The opening price of our third bullish or our third sell brick, that is your entry point, and your TP, it will be only for one brick. But if you want to go further, that is up to you, right? And point to be noted, the support or the resistance must be there. All right, guys. Now let us go now to let us pick the other one. Let me use an example of NASCAR here. So let us say you want to milk NASCAR only one brick. All right, all you need to do now, you select here 4 hours time frame. Now here it's where you will milk only one brick. So let us do it 4 hours time frame. Again, let us click OK. We'll give a good example with this NASCAR. So let us zoom in. There is a support here. So when working with your file based on 4 hours time frame, all you need it is to wait for the formation to form. There will be a support, because you are supposed always to wait for a support. If you'll be trading for some reversals like this, guys, that is up to you, but you must practice that before applying that in your live account. What I'm showing you here, it is what will make you profitable when you're still learning other tactics that you can still using in the market. There is a lot of opportunity in this system. All you need to do it is to be following this video each and every time, so that you can learn more. Just watch video. Don't just say you interested only in Nairobi. Watch every video because they are all talking about this Renko. You'll get more information. You'll get more understanding of our Renko and strategies and tactics, everything there. Whether we are releasing the MT4, all you need to do it is to make sure you subscribe and you activate the notification bell in order to get to be notified every time we release the video. So when working with your file based on 4 hours time frame, 4 hours time frame, all you can do now, you will only wait for this formation. So the opening price of our bullish, this is our second, because this is the first, which gives us the formation. So the second brick is your entry point. So this is our entry point, and our TP also, we are putting, you just look here, right? And because the brick are all the same, they give the same. You can see where I have drawn my line. There is a small body here, there is a small body here, there is a small body here. So if you set your TP now after this one, you just show a small body here to make sure they must hit your TP, and you will make that one brick. So this is for those people even who love to use multiple positions. So this is your entry point, the opening price of this brick. So your TP, guys, your TP will be here. Always make sure you can measure with your left brick and make sure you can see a small body here above our horizontal line here. Then that will be your TP. So the moment this brick will finish forming, it will hit your TP, and then you can continue waiting for other opportunities in even in other small time frames. So it's very simple. So always remember that if it is a sell again and your file is still based on 4 hours time frame, again you just wait for this cell formation or brick formation. This is the big formation. This is your entry brick, and your TP must be here. You must see a small body here so that it can hit here before continue going into the market. By working with that information, by working with those rules, and remember, when you are trading the formations, we have nothing to do with our D feature. The only thing we are focusing on, it's all about the support or resistance. My point is here, by experiencing and working without rules each and every day, it will give you, it will open your mind, it will show you more opportunities that are there. You can know when to, you can hold for long, especially, you know, in the river, there is no some news event happening here, right? So you will have more experience, and you'll be milking market each and every day. You can do scalping, you can do formation as you wait for other opportunities to appear or to get set up, or you know, before getting the setup of scalping or blah 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 blah. Guys, you can be looking for every opportunity that is provided by the system. So this is with having the TFX MT4 or MT5 Nairobi system, guys. There is a lot of opportunities that you will learn, because we will giving you we will giving you full mentorship through our system until you become more than you expected in Forex market. You must be profitable. This is the system that all traders need all over the world. Those people have been struggling, analyzing, been struggling to analyze the market. This is your system. My last point, let me show something here. Let me just bring my normal file here. I do believe it is for 1 hour time frame. So there is something I forgot to cover on our last on our videos about this MT5 system. There is something we call here the V class. The V class is a trade line that will help you. There is those people who know there is no the system is not complete, or the analysis is not complete without the trade lines. The trade lines must be there in order to the system to be full equipped. Right, guys, that is the trend line. And as a trader or a professional trader, even though you are not seeing any resistance here based from this our D super or dotted, but a professional trader can tell you whenever you see a trade line drawn correctly and perfectly, there is a resistance there or a support. This is why you can see this trade line is like this. This is why the market was at this point, came again and tested even our trade line. You can see where our trade is still far. And after hitting our trade line here, there was a formation. So there was another good entry here after the formation. Or you can wait for what? For this TM to change the line, you know your entry point where it is, because you can see even our D Fisher has changed the color. You can see if you are waiting for this arrow again, you would have 3 breaks, my friend, profit. And I know a lot of people will be out of market because you know where there is all confirmation dotted, our D Fisher, sub D, it can tell you now this is a bullish things, but here you can also scalp for this. So the system is so complete, guys, because it contains also our trade line. I forgot to tell you because I have to send when I'm setting the system. This our big crash must be there in order to give you full analysis about the chart analysis, and it is good instead of drawing the trend line manually. The TFX company has already provided everything. So this means with TFX MT5 manual system, right, guys, you are full equipped. It is your time to make money, to recover all your losses through obeying the rules of the system. Thank you so much, guys, and once again, welcome to TFX family. We love you, and let's milk this market together. Thank you.